all, I would like to thank our Almighty God for the guidance and protection He is giving to Katrina from the time she was conceived, the time she was born, until this very moment. Praying the same care and protection He's going to give to Katrina, especially in her studies. Secondly, many thanks to my brothers and sisters, to my parents, to my Tatay Nago and Nanay Lole, who give financial, moral, and spiritual support, especially the time that we are away. To all of you who are gathered here today to witness Katrina's 18th birthday, our heartfelt thanks. Katrina was born on December 28, 1994 at Jidhab's Maternity Hospital, Manama State of Bahrain at 5:28 a.m. From the time she was born, her eyes is the most distinguishing part of being a De La Cruz. And so Katrina was left to a babysitter for almost 1.5 years while we are working. It is very hard to be alone here in Bahrain without anybody. Minsan po, nagkakasakit si Katrina. Ang una niyang naging sakit ay yung siya ay nagkaroon ng sakit sa tenga. Kaya ang sabi po ng doktor, she is not allowed to swim when she grows. Yun po ang sinasabi, hindi na pwedeng ilulubog yung kanyang tenga. Not to swim. Ang isa pa pong naging sakit ni Katrina rito ay yung nagkaroon siya ng tigdas, na napakahirap po na halos hindi magpapababa kay Hermie. Lagi po siyang karga-karga. Kaya po, sa mga pagkakataong yon na walang ibang mag-aalaga, naisip po namin na kung nandyan lang sa Pilipinas ay marami sanang mag-aalaga. Kaya lang po, wala tayong magagawa. So, ang ginagawa po namin routine araw-araw, dadalhin siya sa paalagaan, bibisitahin ng mga alas 11 ng umaga. Mabuti na lang po at yung aming trabaho ay malapit lang dun sa pinagpapaalagaan namin, kaya nabibisita po namin ni Hermie. And so, at 1997, we decided to go home with Katrina.